It is not only important to sell your product to the right customer, it is also important not to sell your product to a wrong customer. Coming up. This is a very important rule in sales. Not everybody who walks this planet and walks on two legs and looks like a human being can be your prospect client. Not everybody is your prospect client. So, the rule of the game is not to sell your product to anybody who doesn't need it. Let's take one situation where you are desperate to make a sale and you approach someone and you force him, convince him, try to do all kinds of things to make him buy your product. The person may buy your product, but later on, if he feels cheated, if he feels manipulated, if he thinks that you forced your product onto him and he doesn't have any use of that product, then he will become your enemy. He may not say it on your face, but what he is going to do is that he is going to take away all your future prospects. He may not give you any lead and he may tell others in his circle not to allow you to come near them because you are a manipulator. You can go to any extent to sell a product that the customers might not require. So the other customers may be requiring your product, but they will not entertain you because you tried to cheat a customer who never wanted your product. I heard about this sales executive who was selling a personality development program. He was desperate to make a sale. He was not getting any breakthrough. He was meeting customers, meeting clients, but they were not converting. And he was under pressure to perform. So, what he did ultimately to show that he had a sale, he asked his girlfriend to take that course and the fees was paid. Now, in this situation, he was desperate to make a sale, to be a part of the team. But he convinced someone who maybe did not require this personality development program. But she simply signed up because she was his girlfriend. So, this is a typical lose lose situation. A customer buying a product who they are not interested in which they are not interested in, they are just doing it to show a favor, and maybe they will never do this kind of favor again. And this salesperson also, he just did this one time thing, but later on he was not able to convert any other sales. And you cannot survive in an organization with just a single sale. And that also, the team came to know that it was her girlfriend who has signed up. So this desperation leads to nothing. You ultimately lose as a sales executive in the long run. So the thing to learn is that never sell your product to someone who doesn't need it. There are lots of people out there who need your product. Just find them out, hunt them out, approach them, but never become desperate to make a sale and sell your product to someone who may not require it. So, if you want to be in sales for long term, if you want to keep on selling for long, then remember this rule. Never sell your product to anyone who doesn't need it. Never sell your product to a wrong customer because he may become your enemy and he may take away all your future prospect clients.